Good evening, traders. Now, before I get this video started, just want to bring some attention to my Twitter page, really. This is where you're most likely to get hold of me for information on the VIP group that I've got coming. It's got the Telegram channel link here, and I'll be reading all DMs, responding to absolutely everyone, no matter what kind of question you've got. I'll try and get back to you and answer it. Yeah, if you could get behind this and follow me, please, that'd be brilliant. And I just want to be able to grow this community really via Twitter and YouTube. So if you could do that, that'd be brilliant. But let's get stuck into some charts. We'll start with Bitcoin. Now, in the video that we went through yesterday, not a lot has changed, but we have got some changes in the 4-hour chart especially. Now, we were trading yesterday during the video, we were trading at around 10,100, the area, the demand area here. Now, that was an important area, which I was highlighting, to look for a long trade. But as this is a potential higher-low area with a higher high being formed here. Now, yesterday, we was talking about 30-minute high being taken out for me to enter a long trade. Now, we did get that set up, and I did take the long trade, as you can see here. I've got my closed P&L. Well, I don't show P&L because I think showing P&L on videos like this is just pointless, as I'm trying to show you my skills and how easily replicatable they are. So you could be 10 times worse than me and put one lucky trade on with a huge position size and make 10 times more money than I've ever made, but that doesn't make you a better trader than me. What makes you a better trader is expectancy and how easily replicatable your strategy is, especially in day trading. So yeah, here's my position, entry and exit price with the date and time stamped, and there's the trade. Now, as you can see, the demand zone was very important, and I will go into why these zones are important and why I draw them where they are, because there's so many different zones that you can draw on there. Why that one was specifically interesting to me is that there is a reason for it. But as you can see, I took the trade. I was in it for no longer than 45 minutes. There's absolutely no drawdown whatsoever. As soon as the price broke that high, it went straight to target, and I was out. Now, I only usually trade. Sometimes I try and get 2 to 1, but most of the time I'm looking for 1.5 RR, which is what I've mainly backtested this strategy on. So you won't see me going for these huge 7 to 1 risk reward ratios. I know it looks good to show off and say, oh, I hit this, but how likely is that to be replicatable? One, like, I know it's cool to show off these big risk reward ratios and your big wins and everything, but little replicatable chunks are a lot more likely than big 7 to 1 risk reward ratio, depending on your strategy. I can't talk for everyone, but from my experience, the lower the risk reward ratio, the higher win rate that you've got. And in day trading, for me especially, a high win rate is critical for my psychology, and I need to be winning quite a lot for me to be able to make optimal decisions, because obviously if you lose 5 or 6 trades in a row, it's very difficult to stick to a strategy with a big amount of money on the line. Depending on your psychology, some people are just cold-blooded and can do that, but it doesn't suit me really. But yeah, getting back to the chart, what I think is going to happen next, I think I am looking for longs. I'm not bearish until we get below this level, really, that demand level that we saw the trade from, around 10,040. Now, it is a bit messy at the moment, but we've still definitely got a higher high and a higher low formed here with the potential to go on and form another higher high up here. 10,400 now. We could see that, and if we do see that, I'm going to take a trade. I'm not going to say why in here yet because it's not formed yet. I don't want to see people just willy-nilly taking trades there. But yeah, it's quite a high probability setup if I get a price action confirmation there. Now, let's take a look at Ethereum in the daily chart to start with. Now, yesterday we was trading around 196, area. And I was saying to you guys, it's not a good idea to be buying into these areas. Now I know price shot through those areas today. Like at one point, Ethereum was up at like 10% or something silly. But yeah, even though it did shoot up, and I said it was not a good idea to FOMO in there, it was best to sit on the sidelines because these areas of supply here are very likely to see pullbacks. Now, with everybody going crazy on crypto Twitter and wherever about altcoins at the moment, you just got to think about it like this: if everybody's buying and you don't see any bears anywhere, you got to think of it like if everybody's buying, the only people making money are usually the people selling it to the people that are buying. Now, that in a nutshell is why 99% of people are losing, because if the crowd, well, like I just said, if everybody's buying, the only person making money is the person selling it to everyone who's buying. But anyway, obviously it's a rule of thumb, it doesn't work all the time, but it's usually good to sit on the sidelines in areas like that unless you're looking for shorts. But obviously we didn't get any shorts there. But still think we're likely to look at 240, but we need to get past this level really at 220 now to push on. Now this is the last area of supply before we reach 240. Now I am long. I'm holding spot ETH from 177, which I bought on the 13th and the 12th. Obviously I bought it on Binance, as you can see. Yeah, it was ETH BTC, which I'll show you. I bought it on here. That's where I bought it. I'm holding a really nice profit. Obviously, I wasn't looking at the ETH BTC chart. I had to buy Bitcoin to then transfer it into ETH, but I was obviously looking at the ETHUSD chart, and I was targeting 200 as my first target, which we've been met. Now I've taken some profit, and I'm letting it run to my second target, which is 240. Now we still are uptrending in the 4 hour. So even though I bought a spot and I'm holding it for a swing, I transferred that spot ETH into my Bybit account and I'm leverage trading, scalping it on the way up. So not only am I making money from it going up at the moment, I am taking scalps here and there where I see fit, basically, using my day trading strategy. I'll show you some trades I've taken. We're doing this. This was the first trade I took. As soon as I went long on spot, I had a scalping opportunity on the day trade. So we've got the entry price at 180 and exit price at 182. No drawdown whatsoever. Straight into profit and stayed into profit all the way to target. Same with my short here. We got entry price at 193.60 and exit price at 191.71. No drawdown at all. Straight to target profit. Now, this strategy where I'm taking these scalps here is the main strategy I'll be teaching in my VIP group when I eventually set it up. But obviously I don't have any subscribers at the moment, so it's pointless me setting it up. But if you guys want to learn my strategy, DM me. We could set something up. Obviously it'll be a paid service, but I believe I'll be bringing you a huge amount of value. And I just want to say I've backtested this strategy for at least 3 years. I've got all the data there with entry, stop loss, and targets. Why I enter, why I exit, why I put my stop loss there. Backtested absolute everything. Yeah, so I'll probably be back tomorrow with another Bitcoin analysis video for you guys. But until then, have a good evening, and I hope your trading goes well tomorrow. Cheers.